Hi parents, I just wanted to take some time to lay out some of the math strategies that we have going on right now. Let me see if I can get this to work. Okay, so when we are in math right now, I wanted to kind of explain some of the strategies that we're using for subtraction and addition. So these are going to be a little bit different than what you've seen, as you may or may not know. We use strategies rather than simply relying on the standard algorithm. We want to give students more than one way to be able to do a problem. So if one way doesn't make as much sense to them, they have another option. So the first one that we're going to use is called a give and take. So G and T for short. This may be a little bit ugly since I'm using a mouse. But basically with give and take, what you are doing is you are making numbers a little bit easier, and this is an addition strategy. So let's say we have 58 plus 14. So what I can do here is I want to get this to an easy number, because 8 and 4, I just want to simplify the look of it so that I can get easy. So I'm going to try and go to a next 0. I'm going to add 2 here, and I'm going to take 2 here. So this keeps our ratios the same, so I'm not changing the amount from either one. So 58 plus 2 would be 60, and 14 minus 2 would be 12. So if I do that, and then I add those together, then I know that 2 plus 0 is 2, 6 plus 1 is 7. The answer is 72. If you were to do that, it would be the same thing over here. 4 plus 8 is 12. 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 72. So this is our give and take strategy. If you need more explanation, we can look this up. You can figure out a way to do this. So of course you have standard algorithm, which I just did as an example over on this side. And then we also have expanded form. We'll just take the same numbers. And again, this is just giving students options to be able to use several different strategies to arrive to the same answer. So this would be taking, you're just taking the numbers and then spreading them out and then adding them together again later. So we'll take the same numbers, write it in expanded form. 50 plus 8 is how we write 58 in expanded form. And then 10 plus 4. Okay, now we can add those together. So we have 60, and we have 12, and those together make 72. Got a little out of control right here. So there we have that, and then we also have our number line addition. Again, forgive me for it being a little bit sloppy. So we have our number line here. So we would start with our smaller number over here. It would be, well actually you would start with whatever number makes the most sense to start with. In this one, it would probably be 58, because we don't want to jump all 50s and 8s and stuff. So we would take this, and then we would take, okay, there's a 10 and 14. So I'm going to take that 10 and add the 10 over here. That makes me go to 68. Okay. And I'm going to take a smaller jump, add 2. That's going to get me to 70. Okay. And I'm going to add another 2. That's going to get me to 72. All of these numbers up here equal 14. Okay. These are 3 of our strategies to use for addition. So each one of these is going to give you a different option to add in a way that makes sense to you. Some students, they love standard algorithm, and they get it. That's what they use. That's fine. Other students, standard algorithm doesn't make as much sense. So going over to give and take, or expanded form, or number line is going to give them just another option to use to make more sense out of an addition equation. So hopefully that makes some sense. I'll be uploading other videos just so that you can stay in the loop. So hopefully this helps, and it can help you help your student at home when working on homework and you don't understand what in the world is give and take. So yeah, hopefully this helps. Let me know if there's any clarifications that you need through my email. Thanks.